Some parts of the UK could have 5 centimeters of snow on Friday, with temperatures expected drop as low as -10 degrees Celsius in some areas. A yellow weather warning for snow and ice remains in place for the eastern coast of the UK, stretching from Scotland to East Anglia. Ice warning remains in the place of northern England and southwest England. Hilly area, including the North York Moors and parts of the Scotland, will have more snow on Friday, forecasters said. Snow swept across southwest England, parts of Yorkshire, northeast England and Scotland on Thursday. More than 30 schools in Cornwall closed for the day or opened late owing to hazardous conditions. In County Durham, police said snowy conditions led to some crashes on the roads.